forget it. I mean, there was all the media there and the Piranha police and it was being lying, you know. I just looked at them all.
First day out flying after our lockdown period, and there's no one else here. What's going on? It was raining pretty much all night, so it's going to be very wet, and there's a little bit of wind around, but oh, there's a lot of wind around. But where is everyone? So here's my FauxNix, made from the FauxNix S1600 box. This will be a good plane to get my fingers working again after a month or even 6 weeks of not flying. Now the wing is sort of a bigger wingspan than I'm used to building in cardboard, so who knows whether it's going to survive. Maybe I'll do some aggressive loops to try and test out the strength. All right. CG's about right. Control surfaces are going the right way. Nothing to do but chuck it. And that's going nose up, which is a good sign. Bit of trim. And we're flying. Yeah, that's working nicely, almost flying hands off. How cool. You can build planes out of everything. Let's come in for a pass. Oh, this is so good. Flying at about half throttle. There's a rudder turn, very nice. Whoa, it wants to tip stall. I think it will be a tipstally plane, but it's going well. Still going nose up a bit. Now we're right. Does need rudder to turn, but you've got to be careful not to overdo it. Yeah, so need some thrust angle adjustment on the motor because it's rising up when you power up. Can do a loop, look at that. Awesome. Roll, sort of. It can do a roll, but not very convincingly. Nothing wrong with this one. Let's see what a stall looks like. Oh, there's that tip stall. So my wingtips aren't all that efficient. Alright, let's do a stall. That actually stalls pretty straight, no dramas. Well, we better put a camera on it before I destroy it. Gliding, that's what I need to know. Doesn't glide all that well. Yeah, there we go. Well, that's not a failure. Bit out of trim laterally. So that was a bit out of trim laterally. Let's try again. Well, I have to say that's kind of what I expected would happen. Oh, that's awesome. So what have I done? Oh, I've buried my prop, broken the shaft on the motor. There you go. That is a failure.